fingertips here, and I'm going to do this, the chasing dragons, and I'm going to try to push him. That means I'm going with the momentum, and my mind is here at that point of contact. And so if I try to push him, he can push me back. Go ahead, push. Then he can certainly overtake me. You understand? I'm putting my awareness in this point here, the obvious. Now, instead, I'm not changing anything. In fact, he's changing. He's getting ready. I'm not going to push him away, okay? I'm going to put my awareness here and expand on this side and send my energy just a few inches past my fingertips on the opposite side. So here I am now. Now, are you pushing?
Yes.
Are you really pushing?
Yes.
Okay, so I couldn't feel anything, and it bounced back at him. Do you see? It's just that it's so powerful, shifting your awareness to the other side.